Welcome us back. There's a download link in the description below, and I just really have to say a few things. One, the download link is going to have content for the next few episodes where I actually finish the login system. So make sure if you are going to download the link that you watch the next few episodes at least, because otherwise if you have a bug, which there are quite a few, not really, but like if you want to add on this, you're not going to know where to add people to spawn until you watch the videos that come up, and they're really good for you to watch these so you actually understand how the code works. There's only 2 more videos. There's 10 and 11 of the segment. So make sure you watch those if you're just going to download this and use this. Other than that, great that you... I don't know what else to say. One thing is, obviously, by the end of the series, people do quotation spawn in. There's actually no spawning in. What happens is that since it's all set up, all you really need to do is to spawn them in, by the way, is to put these, no, it's not panel, it's something else. Where is it? It may not, it may just be a private. Where is it? Oh, it's under. Oh, it's under. Where is it? Under username. So under username script, you have 2 variables: green side and yellow side. You have to fill these in. And by the way, by filling these in, you have to actually do a GameObject.find once you get on the new scene. So once you spawn players, I would do a GameObject.find here. So I would input here. Do GameObject.find green side, whatever your green side is called, dot do green side is equal to, there we go, and then right under it you want to do the same for yellow. So make sure that you remember this, that's how you put your green sides in. You go do GameObject.finds, because your username system is not under the start scene. It's actually under the login scene. We use different scenes so we can reload them quite nicely. By the way, the start game has to actually be here. Well, there's different ways we can do it. We can load the next scene and make sure that this stays, but then there can be problems, and I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to have to actually go and try it on a different computer and play around for a bit before it actually works. So that's the only thing I can say right now. It's in the description below. All rights obviously go to me because I made all the scripts, but plugins and icons weren't made with me and stuff, but I did make all the mods are actually in there, but the mods are somewhere separate. I haven't put them in this time, but they're not really important since we're not going to be using them to the very end. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this series so far, and there will be 10 more episodes most likely after this. That's it. It's in the description below. It's about 400 megabytes, and you cannot use Unity 5.1 will work, but there will be an error saying the network systems are outdated. Right now I'm not planning to update that system, but I may. But I just kind of want to end this series pretty close because it's kind of getting a bit saturated. By that I mean like it's kind of getting a bit boring for me in the way that like it just kind of feels like it's going on forever, and so I kind of want to make sure I'm ending this up quick and then I can come back to it a bit later. Obviously there are a few errors here, but most like these are all really being used. Anyway, see you guys next time, and stay toasty.